couple of months ago, all the while we were thinking that it's going to be an impossible thing that a FIBA qualifiers will be held in Bacolod City. To make the long story short, if it were not for the persons who helped us and ensured that Bacolod will be the venue for this year's qualifiers, I'm sure we are not here right now. So in behalf of the city of Bacolod, we would like to thank first and foremost the SPP, headed by our Executive Director, Attorney Eric Cati. She has been going back and forth, Bacolod and Manila, just to ensure the preparations of this, and all the persons behind the SPP. We also would like to thank for allowing Bacolod to be the venue, the FIBA representative, Mr. Wong Chong Min. Thank you, sir, for coming. We hope that our hosting of this qualifier is going to be a very memorable one to all the participants and the athletes. To all our partners, especially to the working staff, with my very handsome cousin and the cousin also our counselor, the director of SPP Zone 7, Mr. Tony Agustin. He has been in sports for so many decades. I think this is great. This is a dream come true also for us who loves basketball. Thank you again, Prince. And also we'd like to thank our city officials present tonight, Councilor Alice Pino, Councilor Tani Saison, Councilor Dindo Ramos, Councilor Bobby Rojas, Councilor Homer Baez, and Councilor Jason Villarosa. You know, it's so hard to invite some of our councilors, but when you talk of basketball, immediately they are here. It's not that they play basketball, it's just that they're all love basketball. To some of them, though some are seniors, but they still play as much as they can. So thank you very much to all our city officials for helping us, as well as our local committees who are preparing, has been working day in, day out to ensure that we will have a very good accommodation here in Bacolod City. We would like to welcome all the participants. May I request them to please stand, from Indonesia. Can we please give them a round of applause? Thank you and welcome to Bacolod City. The participants coming from Singapore. Welcome to Bacolod City. Thank you. And also from Vietnam. Thank you and welcome. Thailand is coming in, I think, a little late tonight. And especially our athletes from Gilas, palakpakan po natin, the Philippine team, led by Coach Sandy. Coach Sandy, sama-sama tayo basta Gilas, pero pag UAP, pasensya na. So again, on behalf of the city of Bacolod, we welcome, we thank you, and we're hoping and praying that your stay here until Saturday is going to be memorable. Please enjoy our food. Bacolod is known for its food, its hospitality. So welcome to Bacolod City. We hope that this is not the last time that Bacolod will host the Gilas Games. As I echoed to some officials earlier, we're hoping that our Coliseum will be finished by the last quarter of this year. It has a capacity of about 12,000. So probably the next international games will be here in Bacolod City. So as we believe in Bacolod City, we do things if we continue to work together for the betterment, not just of our country, but each of our respective nations that we represent. Madamo, inyo salamat. Welcome to Bacolod City. Maayong gabi. Good evening to each and everyone.
Once again,